down here visiting a friend, and where are we at? We're down in Trenton, Missouri, actually. And he's his name's Phil. He's into all kinds of old collectible fishing lures. He's got knives. He's got tons of firearms, revolvers. I mean, this guy's got a man cave that just goes on and on and on. But I figured I'd do a quick little video showing off some of his collection of antique fishing lures and just some of the just different and unique things he's got. All kinds of old antique ducks and stuff down there. Bunch of deer heads. A big old hog there. That thing will tear you up. All kinds of firearms. Just been, what a great day. Check out this showcase he's got. Different ammunition, vintage, antique ammunition boxes, a bunch of fishing reels. Guess I could have got that chair out of the way. So, wow. This is just one of his little rooms down here in his cave. Plan on coming out. We got setting up a date to do some fishing. A couple little ponds out here in the country. And also he's got 60 acres. We're going to go and shoot some guns someday here soon as it starts warming up. So, alright. We'll talk to you guys soon. Take it easy.